I love paper. I love stationery. I go into a stationery store and you could probably leave me there for a couple of hours. I'd wander around, I'd look at all the notebooks, I'd look at all the texters, I look at everything. I love stationery. I know, crazy, right? Well, one of the things that I love about stationery is its tactile nature and the fact that when something's written down on paper, it becomes a little more material. It's very easy to create electronic to-do lists of things that you want to do, and then you save it and all of a sudden it doesn't seem to exist. It's hidden somewhere and it's not visually seen to enable you to be constantly reminded that that was something that was a priority for you. So I really love the thought of using paper to make notes and lists, and sometimes allocating time to put those items that need to be done directly into my calendar, but keeping my main lists in a paper-based form. It makes me feel pleasure because I enjoy the tactile nature of the paper and the textures, but it also enables me to get clarity. So I like to write things down and see things visually, and sometimes I don't see things as well when they're on the computer. So why don't you give the art of paper a try and see if it helps improve your productivity?